Selections in Python. In Python, the syntax of the if statement is if condition and then an indent and your statements. The code above is saying, if the condition is true, run the indented code. If the condition is false, do not run the indented code. The if statement will only execute if the condition is true. Below are two examples. Determine the output of each. If 2 is greater than 1, print math rules. 2 is greater than 1, therefore this will print. If 2 is less than 1, print math rules. 2 is less than 1 is a false condition, so this will not run. In number 1, the terminal window will output math rules because 2 is greater than 1 and the condition is true. If it is false, as in number 2, the statement will be completely passed over and ignored. This example will output nothing because 2 is not less than 1, making the condition false. Here's an example using variables. X equals 3, y equals 5. If x is equal to y, print they are equal. What is the output? This will output nothing because in this case, x and y are not equal. We could also modify the condition by supplying it with an equivalent Boolean expression that could be written as such. So x is equal to 3, y is 5. Boolean z is going to be equal to true or false depending on this condition here. So in this case, since x is not equal to y, z is going to be assigned the value of false. Then if z, so this means if z is true, print they are equal. In this case, since z is false, this will not print.